Hello mga kanayon, mga ka-township. Hala, gabi na. Tatrabaho pa ako. Same day, Sunday. I think it's November 23. May kamumu na. Hala. Kamumu means ghost. Hala. Let me drop this package right there. A picture again. Look, lalabas na yung mga manananggal saka mga kapre. Look, may kamumu. Kami na, nag-work pa ako. Pero it's still early. It's only 5:18 in the afternoon. Almost night time. 6 o'clock. Okay mga kanayan. Dito na ulit ako sa loob ng truck. Okay, front door. Done. I'm on my last after this. I'm on my last delivery. Okay mga kanayan, thank you for coming with me. Kamumu na, look. Hello, madilim na. Hello. May ilaw lang yung truck. Okay, bye bye.